Sankirtan Sudha, page 80. And bhajan said, Mama Priyatam Sundar Sham, Chabikoti Kam Abhiram. My beloved, my supreme beloved, Shri Krishna is so beautiful. The most beautiful person in the material world is Kamdev. Yet the beauty of uncountable Kamdevs cannot equal the beauty of Shri Krishna. He's so beautiful. More beautiful than even the beauty of uncountable Kamdevs put together. Dhyau Chavi Shamalalam. Meditate on the beautiful form of Shri Krishna. Gau Guna Artoyam. Sing His praises, His glories, His virtues 24 hours. Artoyam means 24 hours a day. Mama Priyatam Sundar Sham, Chavikoti Kam Abhiram. Dhyau Chavi Sham Lala, Gau Gun Artoyam. Nandan Ghanshyam, Shri Bhanu Nandini Bal.
Shri Nandan Ghanshyam, Shri Bhanu Nandini Bal.
Shri Krishna and Radha Rani, they are always performing divine pastimes in the most beautiful Vrindavan Dham. Shri Nandan Ghanshyam, Shri Bhanu Nandini Bal.
Shri Nandan Ghanshyam, Shri Bhanu Nandini Bal.
O do Leela Lalit Lala, नित कर वृंदावन धाम.
जो लीला ललित लला, नित कर वृंदावन धाम.
Some people worship Krishna, some worship Radha Rani, but these are two names for one and the same personality. Radha Rani is Krishna, Krishna is Radha. Ko bhaj Shama, ko Sham, do roop ek dvaina.
Ko bhaj Sham, ko Sham,
do roop ek dvaina. Do prem roop ras dhan, दो भज नित कह ब्रजबान.
दो प्रेम रूप रस धाम, दो भज नित कह ब्रजबान.
मम प्रियतम सुंदर श्याम, छवि कोटि काम अभिराम. ध्याऊ छवि श्याम लला, गाऊ गुण आठोया.
मम प्रियतम सुंदर श्याम,
जय श्री राधे.
काम अभिराम. भावो छवि श्याम लला,
त्रिभुवन मोहन है कामहु मोहन है श्याम।
त्रिभुवन मोहन है कामहु मोहन है श्याम।
Through his divine potency, he deludes all the true world. His work is to bring everyone under his control. He attracts everyone and everything. But Shri Krishna attracts everyone and everything. But Shama, Radha Rani attracts Krishna. Tribhuvan mohan hai कामहु मोहन है श्याम।
त्रिभुवन मोहन है कामहु मोहन है श्याम।
ओ श्यामा मोहु सो श्याम, जो बस बरसानो था।
श्यामा सो श्याम, जो बस बरसाना था।
मम प्रियतम सुंदर श्याम, छवि कोटि काम अभिराम। ध्याऊ छवि श्याम लला, गाऊ मुन आठों।
प्रियतम सुंदर श्याम, छवि कोटि काम अभिराम। गाओ छवि श्याम लला, गाओ गुण आठुरा।
Shri Krishna is the abode of happiness. Another name for Shri Krishna is Sukh, Anand, bliss, an abode of happiness. Yet he is a servant, he is a das of who? Radha Rani. She is a Swamini, the supreme governess. And Shri Krishna serves her, Radha Rani, 24 hours. The gopis bear witness to this. श्यामा है स्वामिनी श्याम, है दास श्याम सुखदार।
श्यामा है स्वामिनी श्याम, है दास श्याम सुखदार।
ओ सेवे नित आठोया, साथी है सब ब्रजबान।
सेवे नित आठोया, सखी है सब
A gopi said, one gopi of Vrindavan, she said to her friend, "Hey Sakhi, Krishna has bought me. I am sold to him for no money. Binu Dam. He has bought me completely. Mere room and everyone thinks I am a very bad lady because I am sold on him. Mere room Rame Sham. Every pore in my body is crying Sham, Sham, Sham. I have nothing to do with the world, only Sham, Shri Krishna. मैं तो बिकी गई, ओ मैं तो बिकी गई, मैं तो बिकी गई, मैं तो बिकी गई दिनदार। जग कहा भल कुलताबा,
मैं तो बिकी गई दिनदार। जग कहा भल कुलताबा।
ओ मेरे रोम रोम रमेशा, जग सो कृपालु नहीं था। जय श्री राधे।
जग सो कृपालु नहीं था।
ओ मम प्रियतम सुंदर श्याम, छवि कोटि काम अभिराम। ध्याऊ छवि श्याम लला, गाऊ गुण आठोया।
राधे 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 राधे
राधा 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 जय श्री राधे ओ राधा 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 जय श्री राधे राधा 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 राधे राधा 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 मम प्रियतम सुंदर श्याम छवि कोटिका में अभिराम गाऊ छवि श्याम लला गाऊ गुण आठोया
मम प्रियतम सुंदर श्याम छवि कोटिका में अभिराम गाऊ छवि श्याम लला गाऊ गुण आठोया।
राधा कृष्ण भगवान की जय। So now try to be very attentive. Listen carefully. Bhagwan Shri Ram also says to Shabari in the Ramayana, नवधा भगति काहू तो ही पाई सावधान सुनो धरु मन माही. He says to Shabari, I am going to tell you about Navdha Bhakti. Be alert, Saudhan, very alert. Listen carefully. Dharu man mahi, focus in your mind completely on me. So it's important that we focus the mind, listen carefully. I've been telling you, those of you who have been here, that there are many kinds of devotion. बहुत प्रकार का भक्ति है, बहुत प्रकार के. There are many types, as described in Bhagavad, etc. Up to 100 types. But most famous, सबसे प्रसिद्ध है, most famous is Navdha Bhakti. Ninefold devotion or 9 types of devotion. In Bhagavad Mahapuran, Prahlad, little Prahlad, 5-year-old Prahlad, this tells his father about Navdha Bhakti, Hiranyakashipu. And of course in Tulsikrit Ramayana, Bhagwan Shri Ram describes Navdha Bhakti to Shabari. प्रहलाद जी महाराज अपने पिता हिरण्यकशिपु से कहते हैं, श्रवणम कीर्तनम विष्णु स्मरणम पाद सेवनम अर्चनम बंदनम दास्यम सख्यम आत्मा निवेदनम. 7th canto, 5th chapter, 23rd verse, Bhagavad Mahapuran. That great bhakt, that great devotee Prahlad, just 5 years old, Naradji had given complete knowledge to Prahlad while he was in the womb of the mother. Mother couldn't take it. She was a Rakshasi. Her heart, mind, her heart was too dirty. There was no vessel. She didn't imbibe. She heard everything, but nothing went inside, in the heart. When we listen with the air, it's like that. But Prahlad in the womb heard everything also, and he took everything. Complete bhakti, the full knowledge, tattva gyan, wo prapt kiya. He attained the complete knowledge in the womb of the mother. Naradji did not teach Prahlad after he was born. No teaching. This was while he was inside the womb. And so he was fearless. When the father asked Prahlad, tell me, my son, what is the best, what is the aim of life, what we have to do? And this is what Prahlad outlined to his father. Shravanam, listening attentively to the divine discourses, narration of the Lord's divine work in Bhagavad, Mahapuran, Veda, etc. Shravanam. Kirtanam, chanting the name, qualities, pastimes, attributes, etc. of Shri Radha Krishna. Smaranam, lovingly meditating on the form, the pastimes, qualities, attributes, etc. of Shri Radha Krishna, divine form. Pada Sevanam, worship in the lotus feet of Shri Radha Krishna. Archanam, worshiping the murti, the idol of Shri Radha Krishna. Vandanam, glorifying through mantras and prostrating to Radha Krishna, bowing down to them and glorifying them. So far we had done, completed yesterday. Now left Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atma Nivedanam, 3. Tusidasi also, I showed a comparison between what Prahlad is saying and what Bhagwan Shri Ram himself is saying to Shabari. Pratham Bhakti Santan Kar Sangha. The first devotion Bhagwan Shri Ram says to Shabari, association with the saints. Very important. Very important. Du saridati mama katha prasanga. The second bhakti is having great attachment, great love for listening to the divine pastimes, the philosophy of Bhagwan, which is Shravana. Guru Pada Pankaj Seva, तीसरी भगति अमान. Serving the lotus feet of the Guru. The saint, I explained, represents Bhagwan, is God personified. When you meet a saint, saint is God personified. Many places in Bhagavad Mahapuran, Bhagwan Krishna says, Acharya Mam Vijaniyan. Know the saint to be me. So, worshipping the feet of the saint, serving the saint, this is Pada Sevanam. Chauti Bhagati Mama Gunagan Kare Kapat Tajigan. This is Sankirtan, the fourth bhakti. Singing the praises, the qualities, the pastimes of the Lord, leaving aside all deceitfulness. Not trying to please anybody, but trying to please the Lord alone. Kapat tajigan. Kapat means deceitfulness. Mantra jap pancham, mantra jap mam didha vishwasa, panchama bhajan subeda prakasha. The fifth bhakti, he says, is to have great faith, didha vishwasa, while chanting the mantras and the name of the Lord with great faith, great love, not just saying words, but with great faith, didha vishwasa. So more or less we see the similarities of both of them. And we were comparing them as we went along. So today, the topic, we look first at dasyam. Das means a servant. The word das means a servant. Gaurang Mahaprabhu says in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Jiver Swarup Hoy Krishner Nitya Das. Chaitanya Charitamrita. He says that the soul, the Jivatma, by nature is an eternal servant of Sri Krishna. Remember, I told you, we're not the body. This body belongs to us. We are the soul, the Atma. So, in other words, all of us, by nature, we are servants of Sri Krishna. Nitya Das, eternal servant. Not one day servant. It didn't start one day. Nitya Das. The Vedas say, Yasya Atma Shariram, Yasya Aksharam Shariram Ved. The Jivatma, or the individual soul, is the body of God.